Hello. Okay, so while I've got a quick 5 minutes, I'm going to show you something. What this is great. What Alex has done, just a couple extra, something extra. I would do. I would come here and I would do equals. Username. Do that ampersand, which acts as your glue, and then that. Okay, so that then you can change that to whatever, and then the username will change all the way down through. Okay, I don't know what I had it as now. Any bugger. Okay, so that's that. Then do the same with passwords. So we'll do equals. We put the speech marks around to say that that's text. Do that. Ampersand. Sorry. Okay. Then we've got address. So we will okay, sorry, I lost myself then. So we've got that, ampersand. We've got ampersand. Oh, what is it with me hitting the pound sign? Put the text to say, hey, this is text. And then what we'll do here is we'll put address. We'll do that for port. Okay, so now that's changed. Okay, so what you do just to change these is you can double click. Oh, okay, I just need to do something in a minute. I need to I'll update that in a minute. Just ignore that then for a second. And then country. I just want to change country. So equals. That want that to be that. Delete that. And then we want the ampersand text. There's a problem with your formula. What have I done? There we go. So now that's UK. Okay. So I'll come back over to here a minute. I want to do that. Oh. That there. Is B1. Click on that. Oh, you bastard. Okay, I'm going to have to look at that in a second. It's because I've done these down there like that. Okay, no problem, no problem. I can sort that in a minute. So that's now as you that this. So now this here, this your end one. You can change all these, and then this will give you your true URL for your stickies. Okay, and then just remember that you can change server 1, you can change it to server 2. Okay, you can change that one to server 2, so on and so forth. Okay. And obviously that's what you want to do, right? You don't want to go using server 1 because everybody's going to be using server 1 if they're using this spreadsheet. Yeah. So that's that. I've got something going on here. I want to. Oh, God damn. So I want that to stay like that. Oh, I can't remember for the bloody life of me what the character is. Is something... Was I've got to put it there, have I, maybe? No. There is something I've got to put there that will stop it from changing. Oh, and I can't remember what it is. Okay. Now you used to be able to do that, and you would double click that, or control and double click, and it's just not liking it at all. I don't know what's going on with the spreadsheet. So I think I'm going to have to put that there. No, that's still going to fucking come all the way down here. Ah, balls. Okay, I'm going to... Okay, so what I've done is I've just moved everything, moved all the passwords and stuff over to a different sheet. And then it was a bloody... I knew there was something that had to go there. I couldn't think of what it was, but it's a $sign. So now you can see, so if I go here, that'll copy the password all the way down. This one here will now change all the US to UKs, and then the address and port will change. Okay, so then that there would be your what you would go and copy and paste into different areas. And if you want to change it, you come over to enter deets here, and you would say username Brian is awesome. Come back over to here, and then you'd see all of these have changed now to Brian is awesome. Okay, just remember again that there's more than one server at each location, so you can change them up. All right, great stuff. So I'm going to save this and send it over.